Evening all. We're out near Middlesbrough having a play in the dark with the camera. So what we're taking photos of, I'll show you in a second. I'm out with one of the lads, Steve, who we go out quite often with. But I'll just turn around so you can have a look at this. So that's what we're taking photos of. It's a Newport bridge near Middlesbrough. So I'll stick some photos on. I might do a bit about the settings and that. Excuse me if I go dark, but it's dark out here. So speak to you in a bit. Let's get some photos took. Well, this is what we're out taking photos of. Excuse the light. My hand there might stop it a bit. Like I say, just one of the bridges from around Middlesbrough, Stockton area. Doing a bit of long exposure work. And that's what I'm coming out with. I'll explain the settings in a bit, hopefully when this traffic dies down a bit. So, but that's what taking photos of. We're going to try and get down the side and see if we can get a full-on view of it. So, speak to you in a bit. Right guys and girls, I'm going to show you how I'm going to take a shot of this. Basically, just there, where my finger is, that's reflection off water. And then we've got the clouds in the background. Excuse the traffic going by, but we are on a bridge. So, let's have a look. Well, that's what my camera's telling me at the moment. Put the info on so you can see. Right, I'm at 30 seconds at f8 at ISO 100. So I'm going to take the photo. Jeez, that was big. Take the photo of that, 30 seconds, and then I'll stick the photo up so you can see it, guys. And that's what we ended up with. I will put the photos on once they're edited so you can see them, guys. So don't worry about the quality of the phone and camera and all that lot. But like I say, that's the settings I was on. 30 seconds f8 at ISO 100. I have got it set to auto white balance, so you don't have to worry about that. So we'll take a few more and then we'll move on and I'll do a bit more with you. So that's what we're taking photos of at the moment. Newport Bridge, lit up. It's usually lit up a bit more than this. So I'm going to show you the quick photo of what I've took. It's not bad. It doesn't look good on the camera and the phone, but hey ho. So anyway, so that's what I'm taking. So again, and that's making the sky look even more orange. I'm just going to drop it down again. So we'll go from 20 seconds to 15 seconds and we'll go from there. We'll probably move on to the barrage next, or Infinity Bridge. How calm it is out here. That's a flyover, A19. But with how calm it is out here, I think we'll get some nice shots of the Infinity Bridge as well. So I'll catch you at the Infinity, guys. So we're now at the Infinity Bridge, and this is it. And not even my camera can get it all in. Well, that one can. So I'm just taking this. It's quite nice. There's a few people around, but we're alright, me and Steve together, so just wait for Steve to take a photo and then we're going to move down over there and take this, and then we can show you why it's called the Infinity Bridge. So, Infinity Bridge, Stockton-on-Tees, on the River Tees. And this is what I'm taking a photo of, or photos of. It's quite nice out here. Not bad. Weather's alright, a few clouds in the sky. Steve's alright. He's just taking some photos. So settings wise, let's have a look. So I'm on 20 seconds, f14, ISO 400. I could drop the ISO down or the f-stop down, but I'm going to leave it at that because I know I'm going to get something quite similar. So I'm going to take a photo. Shutter's pressed. It's quite nice out there. Say hi, Steve. Hi. Immortalised now. It's going to be on YouTube and everything. Well, it is quite nice out here. It's cold, mind. It's probably about 3 degrees at the moment. So, that's the photo. As you can see, it's quite smooth. But I'll put the photo up after this. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tilt this up so you can see it a bit better. Right, I'm going to drop the ISO down. And the f-stop down. And I'm just going to take another photo so you can see if there's any difference. I'm still on 20 seconds, but the f-stop's now down. Oh, look, it's one. Fuck off. Language. Well, that's going to wreck our reflections of the bridge. And there comes his mate, or her mate. Yeah. Well, there you go. But I'll put the other one up as well so you can see the difference. Well, we're probably going to have to wait for another like 20-30 minutes now for this to flatten out. So until then, I'll speak to you in a bit. So, back again, Infinity Bridge. It was only 10 minutes, but here we go. So I've changed my settings a little bit, not much, just a little. F8, I've dropped the ISO down to 100 and on 25 seconds. And let's see what it's going to be like then. So there's a said photo again. I'll put it up afterwards, and I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up. Oh, it's a plane. Well, we're hoping that it's going to fly across that. This will be a bit different. So we'll just keep on going and see what goes on. Well, it might do. Yeah, just a bit more interesting, that's all. Not that the bridge isn't nice. Well, this could be an interesting photo, if nothing else. Yeah. So, let's see. Looks like I'm just going to zoom out a bit. Right, now on 16 mil. I don't think I'll get that in, but hey ho. It'd be interesting if I do. But if not, I can always crop it if I need to. Anyway guys, I'm going to say good night because it's getting late and I need to be up in the morning. So until next time, keep on watching, subscribe, like. Nope, we did get it in. Flashy, flashy, flashy across the top.
Pretty much the same as the last one.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll speak to you again. Later, guys.